In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the web capture feature in Microsoft Edge. Whether it's capturing an entire web page, a specific section, or even the entire screen, web capture can be a handy tool in your digital toolkit. Recently, Microsoft updated Edge's interface, and you might notice that what used to be known as web capture is now labeled screenshot in some versions. Despite the name change, its functionality remains the same. To get started, open Microsoft Edge and navigate to the web page you're interested in capturing. Once you've loaded the page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. Here you'll find three dots arranged vertically. This is the More menu. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down list that appears, select Screenshot. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, simply press Ctrl, Shift, and S simultaneously to achieve the same result. It's always nice to have options, isn't it? Now once you've selected the screenshot option, you'll be presented with three distinct capture modes, each designed to suit various kinds of web content collecting needs. The first option is Capture Area, which allows you to manually draw a box around the portion of the web page you wish to capture. This is particularly useful when you only need a snippet of the web page, like a graph, image, or specific text, and don't want an entire page cluttering your files. Imagine you're saving a recipe or an interesting infographic. This is your go-to tool. Next is Capture Screen Area. This option takes a snapshot of everything displayed on your screen beyond just the web page you're navigating. It's perfect for those times when you need to capture multiple tabs or applications in one go. Say you're comparing data from a web page with a document or presentation you have open. Capture Screen Area will include it all in one seamless screenshot. The third and final option is Capture Full Page, which is exactly what it sounds like, a capture of the entire scrolling web page from top to bottom. It's incredibly helpful for when you need a comprehensive view or record of a web page, perhaps for archiving or detailed review purposes. With this tool, no element of the web page, no matter how far down it appears, will be left invisible. And there you have it. By utilizing Microsoft Edge's screenshot feature, you can efficiently collect and save web content in a way that best suits your needs. Whether you're focusing on specifics or capturing the whole picture, Edge has made it incredibly straightforward. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.